To start trading with OctaTrader, you'll need to create a real account. Just scroll down to Your Accounts and click Create Account. Now you can select account type, Real, and the platform, OctaTrader. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to top it up. There are 3 ways to make a deposit. You can click the link under Your Accounts, press the Deposit button on the right side of your screen, or click the New Deposit tab at the top of your screen. Now you can start trading right in your browser. Go to your dashboard, click Trading at the top of your screen, and select Trade in Web. That's it, you're ready to go. On the left side of your screen, you can find all available assets with live quotes and spreads, some of the tightest in the industry. In the left upper corner of the chart, you can select time frames that match your trading style. Next to the time frames, click on Indicators. They'll help you analyze chart movements and forecast price changes. You can also draw on that chart. Once you're ready, you can set the desired order volume and open a sell or buy position. You'll see a notification on all your trading devices once your position is opened. You can also place a pending order. This order is used for more precise forecasting, as it allows you to set a specific level you think the asset price will move to. Once the level is reached, your pending order will be opened automatically. You can find all your pending orders under the Pending tab at the bottom of your screen. All open orders can be found under the Open tab. Just click on the order you're interested in to see all the details, like your margin and open time. Here you can set Take Profit, which will close your order at the specified level if the market rises, maximizing your profit. Or Stop Loss, which will sell the asset when it reaches the specified price level, minimizing the losses. You'll get notified once the changes are applied. To close your order, just choose the order and click the Close button on the left side of your screen. You can also click on the cross icon on the right side of your screen. You can close your orders partially. Here's a new order as an example. Just click on the order, press the Close Partially button on the left side of your screen, and specify the desired volume. You can find all your closed orders under the Closed tab at the bottom of your screen. Your account stats can be found in the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the most important parameters and helpful info. You can also deposit to your accounts or switch between them right here. That's it. You're ready to open your first order. Good luck.